All right, so today we are going to be talking about parallel and perpendicular, but to the x and y axis, okay? Remember, parallel never touch and has the same slope. Perpendicular is different slope, and that they touch. They're going to touch at a 90-degree angle, okay? So if we look at our first ones, we have a line that goes left and right. So if it goes left and right like this, the slope is going to be 0. The equation is touching the y line, so y equals 5. Y equals 5. And this line is parallel. It's not touching the x-axis. X-axis. It is also perpendicular. It touches the y-axis. Perpendicular to y-axis. Now for our next one, I have an equation that goes up and down. So remember, when it goes up and down, if you draw a little person, he falls off. Its slope is undefined. It's not possible. Our equation, it touches the x-axis right here at -8. So my equation is x equals -8. And it's going to be parallel. So this line right here does not touch the y-axis. It's parallel to the y-axis. And it's perpendicular. It touches the x-axis. So perpendicular to the x-axis. Now for the first one, it says, what are the equation? Equation has to have equal sign. And slope, slope is your m, of the line shown on the grid. So I have this line. If I'm just looking at the equation, I have a line that goes like this, and it touches the x-axis at 6. X equals 6. So y equals 6, not good. X equals 6, good. Y equals 6, not good. X equals 6, good. Now when I think about the slope, if I draw a little person, he's going to fall. This is undefined. So my answer would be J. Remember, 0 slope goes left and right. Undefined goes up and down. So for the next one, it says, what is the equation of the line that passes the point -1, -9, and has an undefined slope? Here, you can try the two options. You have x and you have y. So we have x equals -1 and y equals -9, okay? So we are going to go to Desmos, and we're going to put both options in. And remember, undefined slope is the one that goes up and down. So we're going to put x equals -1. This one goes up and down, so this may be my answer. Let's try the other one. Y equals -9. This one goes left and right. So this one goes up and down. This one goes left and right. So my answer would be x equals -1. That's my answer. Because I'm looking for undefined slope up and down. So for the next one, oh, we don't need that. Or actually, we can try it. I can show y'all with it. So when we think about this, if you're not good at getting the equations, that's okay. We can just try them. So we have these three equations. So we have y equals 6. This line looks very similar, so maybe. Now let's try the next one. Y equals 6x. We know this one is not the same, so it cannot be it. And then x equals 6. This one goes up and down. I'm looking for left and right, so this one can't be it. So my equation has to have an equal sign. Y equals 6. Okay, you can also do this by saying this line right here touches the y equals at 6. Now, when we're looking at the slope is your m. The slope of a line that goes left and right is going to be 0. So right here I have a 0. That's what I'll put right here, 0. And we're done. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.